Welcome back to the channel, you Doordash degenerate. I know you wanted to see me suffer, take every single order, not make no money. Well, guess what? Today's your lucky day. I accepted every single order and I didn't make no money. But guess what? We trying to get that acceptance rate up. You see the Doordash bag. I don't need no money. I need a high AR.
What?
That's what I need. When you a Doordash driver, you got to forget about making money. It's all about staying busy and raising your acceptance rate. Come on now. Hit that like button and that subscribe button. Like, what do I gotta do? Do I straight up gotta do just like 100 orders in a row for my AR to go up? What is going on? 201, unsafe location. Don't be asking me no dumbass questions. It is straight raining. Let me go grab this $5 order. Hey buddy, we ain't gonna bother you, but you might wanna get out this heat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got $11 for 6 miles on Uber Eats. We pulling up to Chick-fil-A right now, grabbing our first order of this little dinner shift.
Pick up on the right.
You better believe it, pick up on the right. We heard now. Let's see how many people they got up there. Scratch that first plan. I pulled up to Chick-fil-A. I went in. Somebody already picked up that order before I got there. So we won't be doing no Uber Eats. Doordash just allowed me on the schedule for an hour. So we finna go ahead and do some Doordash. I'm at a 52%, if you can even believe it. Look, Uber going off now after me pulling up and sitting here. $12 for 7 miles? No, thank you. I am on Doordash now, and Doordash gonna have way more orders for me than Uber Eats is. Let's see. First order, $9. 6 miles, high paying offer. I will take that. I got a screenshot, but boom, there you go right there. You see it. We will be taking that. And it's not even 6 miles for real because you see it's like wrapping around. Yes, sir. Thank you, Doordash, for not sending me a trash order as my first one of the day. Made it to Chick-fil-A. I'm here. The pickup time on this order is 1 minute ago. So that's not looking great. But the thing is, I was just here. I already had an order canceled on me. I'm going to try to extend this dash, see if I can get a little bit of extra time. Because I was at a 52% before I started. And I accepted the very first order. This one right here. Still at 52. So it's going to be a long stride up to that 70%. I know a lot of you guys was telling me, just stick with it. And it'll get a lot better once you get over 70%. I hope y'all right, man. Because I'm trying my best to get up there. But it is definitely tough. Doordash has been doing the safety check-ins. And they basically ask you if you feel mostly safe, very safe, or not safe at all when you complete a delivery. But they also have added a new updated user interface screen. Basically, you see this blue bar on your way to the delivery. Right there, you see it on the screen. I'm gonna throw up a screenshot. Let me know if you are seeing this in your market. And let me know if it's a distraction or if it's actually helpful as far as letting Doordash know if you're safe in an area or not. Me personally, it seems like they only ask when I'm in a affluent neighborhood somewhere where it's, you can tell it's a little higher end and it's not really an issue of safety, gated communities. They seem to ask me in the least likely scenario if I'm questioning my safety versus when I'm going to those questionable areas. Let me know your experience, but look. We finna drop off this Chick-fil-A. I hope I'm able to get at least 2 more orders before this Doordash shift is over. Oh, Lord. I just accepted $7 for 6.9 miles, man. This is a bad order. Now, this customer did tip, but they live too far away, and this is not a good order. It doesn't meet my parameters. I know what you're saying. Well, hey, trader, you didn't have to accept it. Why did you accept it? Ain't nobody forcing you. I'm trying to make it to 70%. And this ain't a clown customer. This is just a customer who just happened to not tip enough. It's probably like a $4 or $5 tip on this order. It's at Chick-fil-A, so this is order number 3 at Chick-fil-A, but only the second one on Doordash. My dash is gonna be over after this. I've been trying to extend my dash the whole time. They only gave me 1 hour on the schedule from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. And I've been trying to schedule out to the next hour, and I've been trying to extend this dash that I'm currently in right now. Neither one has been working. So I was like, dang, I don't think they're gonna send me a good offer. And sure enough, they sent me something that is not what I would consider a good offer. But you know what? At least it's not an upside down offer. And at least this raised my acceptance rate. Let me see. Let me make sure before I lie. This did not raise my acceptance rate. So now I'm on this order that I don't want to do, and I'm still at 52%. Oh my goodness. This is what y'all was talking about. What is this? Could you please drop it off at room 201? Oh my Lord. And now this customer is sending me messages, asking me to drop it off here and there. Oh my God, this is not good. Whenever a customer messages you, as soon as you accept their order, that's a red flag right there. So now we got an order that I'm kind of already pissed off about. And now I'm a little bit more irritated about it. Because if you a DoorDash driver and you guys a little bit experienced, you know what I'm talking about. Whenever you accept that order, it doesn't matter, DoorDash or Uber. If that customer messages you right away, talking about, oh, can you do this? Can you grab this? Can you bring this? That's not a good sign. Oh, Lord, Lord, Lord. It would have been better if it was for a place where I can get an add-on and then maybe get a potential to raise my AR. But we is not looking good right now. Look at it. Is so windy for it to be 90 degrees. This is absolutely crazy. You're out there, pay close attention. We normally like to see 2-to-1 miles to money ratio. Really, if you can get like 3-to-1 miles to money ratio, then you're gonna be in the profit. And nice and clear in the profit to where even if you have round trip miles, you're gonna be good to go. 2-to-1 minimum to ensure profitability. But I know a lot of dashers say they make money accepting orders with 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. Like an order I just did, $7 for 7 miles. Look, I do not recommend that you do that, especially back to back or for any extended or sustainable amount of time. Like, try to get 2-to-1 miles to money ratio, 3-to-1 if you can. But if you have to take 1-to-1, at least that's better than an upside down offer. Now, I didn't do a lot of talking. Let's go ahead and get this one dropped off. We got 9 minutes until my dash is over, and I'm pretty sure, even though these are mostly highway miles, I'm pretty sure I got more than a 9-minute drive. Let me get myself together. We made it. We at the Super 8, boy. We going inside this damn motel. 201? Get up in here. Go up to the second floor. Ooh-wee. I know I better get better orders than this when I get over 70%. This is ridiculous right here. All this extra stuff. And we get to find 201. At least they got stairs. They got me mobbing through this damn motel. Hell no, motherfuckers coughing and shit. Let me hurry up and get up out of here. People ridiculous. Alright, let's get that picture. How much y'all think they tip? Hell no, I don't feel safe in this motherfucking motel. The fuck? Unsafe location. Don't be asking me no dumbass question. $5 tip. Better have been. So it was far enough away. So now, I don't have a schedule until 9 p.m. Let me see if I can hop back in here. But it's all good. We got Uber Eats too. Let's turn that one on. I ain't never been here in my life. This shit is great. DoorDash decided to bless me, let me back on that good old schedule. So we just got our next order. And hold on, wait a minute. Something ain't right. I just got another high-paying offer. This is my second high-paying offer. This one is Taco Bell, $8 for 5 miles. Not quite 2-to-1 miles to money ratio, but you know what? It could be a whole lot worse. $8.25, 4.8 miles. So it's almost 2-to-1 miles to money. But what I really like is I'm at a spot where I can get an add-on. And do I have that add-on? No, the time is 8:12. I got 2 minutes until this order will be ready for pickup. DoorDash, send me an add-on in this next 2 minutes because this is my 3rd order in a row that I have accepted, guys. Order number 3, stop playing with me. And guess what? I'm still at a 52%. My AR is not going up at all. Like, what do I gotta do? Do I straight up gotta do just like 100 orders in a row for my AR to go up? What is going on? I ain't gonna never make it to 70%. Send me an add-on, DoorDash. Just started raining on us. We are at our delivery destination, but we probably gonna get a little bit wet. That's all right. Alright, guys. Got that order dropped off. Let's go ahead and confirm that. $2.25 base pay, $6 tip. Awesome, amazing customer. What's gonna come in next? I see it's getting kind of late. Hopefully I can at least get one more order. Order number 4, I ain't playing no more. We just got it, $5 4 miles. Not a great offer, not a high paying offer, but it's actually okay because all of the mileage is me heading over to Hot Shots, which I was already heading over there to. So it makes it not so bad. I hope I get an add-on when I get over there or on the way. Yes, finally. I made it to 54%. Oh my goodness, my acceptance rate didn't even move for those last 2 orders. And now I just looked down. Let me go ahead and take a screenshot just in case they change their mind. Oh my goodness, 54%. We are on our way up, finally. It's gonna stay 5. Very safe, yada, yada, yada. Come on, let's go ahead and get this over with. Boom, we got a $3 tip, $5 pay. I did pause my dash as I was delivering because I didn't want them to send me an order and I miss it due to service issues. Come on, let me get one more order. We made it to 54%. Let me make it to 55. I'll be a happy camper, man. I can't even remember the last time my acceptance rate was this high on Doordash. So we ended that day with a 54% acceptance rate. Actually, right now, I was thinking about turning it on and heading back out. I'm still at 54. I accepted every single Doordash order in today's video. I only went up by 2%. When you get over 50%, it's harder for you to raise your acceptance rate. So you basically got to accept every single order. I'm going to go ahead and do my best to get to 70%. Now, I'm not going to say I'm going to accept every single order because I do a mix of earn by time, earn by offer. And I'm going to tell you right now, if they send me a 10-mile delivery, that's not happening. That's not happening. Especially if it say like under 15 bucks, it's simply not happening. I just can't take it on the chin like that and then take that drive back. I'll be in the loss of my mind. You let me know how it's going for you on DoorDash in your market. Let me know if you got the Platinum Dasher system in your area or if you still rocking the Diamond Zone. Let me know. Or if you like in California or Seattle, New York, where they got some type of minimum pay legislation. But the fact of the matter is, no matter where you at, you probably feeling the pain. If you don't got a higher acceptance rate, you're probably having a hard time seeing orders consistently and making money. So don't you worry, your boy Dash and Trader got you. I'm about to raise my acceptance rate right along with you. I'm going to go through the struggle too. And hopefully we can avoid them 10-mile deliveries. And look, if you're enjoying these videos of me showing you the types of offers I see and showing you the different changes that I see as I raise my acceptance rate, all the way from 13%, hopefully I make it to 70% before the month is over with. What we got about 9 days left in this month. I might be able to make it to 70%, but I might just lose my mind too. Look, if you enjoyed this video, I need you to do me a big favor. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, maybe buy a membership on the channel. I don't care, but look, I needed to make this video longer, so I had to record 2-3 more minutes. Look at that, my hair is getting too long. I'm about to head to the barbershop, y'all. This is actually getting ridiculous. But while I got you here, look, make sure you also check out my second channel too, Professor Blackleg, because I post my Walmart Spark videos and some of my Uber Eats content over there. We just hit 1,000 subscribers over there. Thank you for everybody that subscribed to this channel, the other channel, the future channels I make. My arm is hurting right now from all them backflips that I did the other day. But you know what? We all good though. I think I got a couple more backflips in me before I become an old man. Again, thank you for watching this video and all the videos. Thank you for supporting this channel. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Stop playing with me.